Did the NDC take $500,000 from Kwabena Adu-Boahen or not? Where are those cars? Who took delivery of the $500,000 US?
This story about Adu-Boahen. This agenda, Adu-Boahen in the team, no, want to malign the Attorney General, want to discredit the Attorney General. Every time they go to court and Attorney General tries to brief the nation, no, they are trying everything possible to make sure, say, or minor a team, no, we will not trust the Attorney General.
What can I say Attorney General here press conference, no? Or can say, Kwabena Adu-Boahen, we're moving Sika from a state BMC to a private BMC. We're far buying Sika free point A, no, they are to the private account to point B. At your one is Attorney General kind. Attorney General now has a case now they call court, no? The suit in the there's nowhere in this document, just say, Kwabena Adu-Boahen, we're moving a buying Sika and they are to private account. Who is deceiving who? They make you or they create the impression, say, and Mawa Wosha Monoje said the Attorney General is not doing anything. Fortunately, they have some people too who are helping them in the media space to do that to the Attorney General's office. There's something happening. This story about Adu-Boahen. There's this agenda. Adu-Boahen in the team, no. Almost set. Now, agenda on person almost setting in the say. They want to malign the Attorney General. They want to discredit the Attorney General. Senebeya, when the Attorney General comes out to speak on this Educhum issue, no, every time they go to court and Attorney General tries to brief the nation, no, they are trying everything possible to make sure, say, or minor a team, no, we will not trust the Attorney General. Until the moment they trust for the Attorney General, no, echo for pay. Whatever the Attorney General will touch or do, no, we will not have his support, or he will not have our support. Until what they are trying to do is say, Adu-Boahen winning the legal team attaching the no. They want to make sure, say, sir, respect, no, any belief na Ghana for your war Attorney General no. They want to try and split it. Now, because they need the public sympathy. Now, before you can get public sympathy, the opponent now within the air contoquano, you need to discredit the opponent. Now, Atachia, any sanko for who say, so I'm say how many Attorney General no age na court, boot for boot, fact to factor. And yeah, they more than 5 months. Adu-Boahen he will be jailed. Now, what they want to do now, and they say, they want to malign the Attorney General. Some good anima say. Say, sa confidence na Ghana for your Attorney General no. Some we free ho. Now the moment to make sa confidence they free ho no, then the Attorney General becomes like Assembly of Kebiano in Kuta weight. Then it makes them rather look like they are the credible ones. And in as a West Stadia, every time psychologically on say case or court, every time be in any country or in any case, the prosecutor so on it obiko court. Now, accused the prosecutor every court PR. So we study every time, no. Any pana accused, no. The lawyers, no. They psychologically they want the cameras to see that things are going on well in the courtroom. It's a psychological thing. So we study obia yedena court biano, especially when the Attorney General takes somebody to court. Somewhere exit court number bar. The Attorney General's body language is the same all the time, because the Attorney General is not supposed to show anything like he's upset, he's happy, he's excited about something. The Attorney General needs to be seen as an Attorney General who is basically prosecuting, who is basically doing his job. Now, what the accused normally do, then they say, when they exit court, they want the people watching them to believe, say, our body language in actually say they are doing good in court. But so we study story now, you will see, say, at the end of the day, the accused, majority of the time, they are put in jail. Now, it's psychological. And what they do, and they say, so I'm sana utifina or show moi. Okay, say, hey, and they do in lawyer and P and all sister power. Next, say, Koye, do in case. Attorney General is not fighting an individual. Attorney General is the nation's lawyer. In the Attorney General he's not supposed to be smiling. He's not supposed to be showing any emotions. Attorney General is supposed to tell you what happened in court and walk. Because the Attorney General has a lot of dockets on his table. And yet Adu-Boahen case on the table. So it is not about Adu-Boahen's case. Say he is a fancy Attorney General. Say they're not going for that. What Godfred Dami used to do was that he would call his own media, he would tell them to wait for him, he would come out of the court and do politics. Until the moment these people who have been accused, they know that their back is on the wall. No? What they do is, when they exit court, they make you, or they create the impression, say they are doing well in court. Because one, when they create that impression, say the Attorney General is not doing anything. And that is what Adu-Boahen or the lawyer Acheampong, that is the game they are playing. And unfortunately, they have some people too who are helping them in the media space to do that to the Attorney General's office. Now, you're sorry, Attorney General's office has not lost any evidence in ongoing Adu-Boahen trial. And yet the Deputy Attorney General and the counsel with Shrim Sai or say, Omatitin say me say, Adu-Boahen then the lawyers say, document Attorney General say, or they bought the case so buying, a prosecutor Adu-Boahen no, Adu-Boahen lawyers, any Adu-Boahen call for be in the media space near Adu-Boahen Nankasa say, documents no, pages in Kwabe ete say Sahira. When they say something is missing, what does it mean? Yaka say bibia ira. Na say yaka say I don't say bibi kuta obi. Na yaka say adewe ira. Na so saka say adewe I don't want you to know what is in it. Are they the same thing? Say me kuta card and I say spa card here twi. Na so busam say does it mean card in the ira? Now let's go listen to Adu-Boahen lawyers. Maybe I'm not sure Ghana. These are the lawyers of Adu-Boahen. Mr. P. All right.
And thank you so much for staying with us. To some other story, counsel to embattle former National Signals Bureau boss, Governor Adu-Boahen, lawyer Samuel Atachia has taken on the Deputy Attorney General, Justice Sai, insisting that the AG failed to disclose over 80 pages of the Signals Bureau's account details in court. There has been public assertion that a key evidence in the trial of Adu-Boahen has got missing at the Attorney General's department. But the Deputy AG, in a statement, refuted the claim, insisting all relevant documents have been filed in court. Here are excerpts of his statement.
The Deputy AG, Justice Sai, in a post on his X account said the Attorney General's office has not lost any evidence regarding the ongoing Republic versus Adu-Boahen criminal trial. He then goes ahead to list the various documents they have filed on the matter as of June 18, which includes evidence of contract for sale, bank wire transfer records, bank account statements, company registration documents, property ownership records and purchase receipts, Interpol stolen vehicle records, a flowchart of the money movement through what he describes as a complex web of bank accounts, and testimonies of our 3 witnesses. All that of these documents have also been served on all the accused persons, and so it is not true that any of the documents have gone missing. The Deputy AG says before the legal vacation on July 31, the first 3 witnesses had been cross-examined by lawyers of the 3 of the 4 accused, which means that lawyer of the last accused is yet to do that cross-examination. But he is hopeful that they will return to continue when the legal vacation is over by the middle of October.
But reacting to the AG's response, the lawyer Atachia refuted his position, insisting that there were at least 80 pages missing from the account details filed to the court.
Whether we are entitled, that is what the law says. It's a constitutional requirement. Article 19, fair trial. The fair trial requirement is that you shouldn't withhold information which should aid the innocence of the accused person.
Right.
Because the Attorney General is not a persecutor. An Attorney General is supposed to hold the scales of justice even. And when the evidence should inure to the benefit of the accused persons, the Attorney General is bound by law to divulge it to the court. And in fact, it is unprofessional for an Attorney General to withhold exculpatory evidence from the court.
I am quite curious to know, do you have any idea what exact document is alleged to have gone missing in this case? Oh,
in the first instance, the Attorney General withheld, about 83 pages of a bank statement that the Attorney General has filed before the court. So you could see a deficit of evidence by what the Attorney General filed before the court. So we call for the difference. Now, where is the rest of the pages relating to the bank statement you filed? And the judge blocked it. The judge didn't want them to bring it. This is where we are. As a fact, these are all facts if you have journalists following this story. And that's why we've appealed the decision of the judge. And the judge will not block evidence that the accused persons require to prepare their defense and even use those pieces of evidence to cross-examine the witnesses.
Now, what Acheampong, he is the lawyer for Adu-Boahen. So what tiene kasemwa oyusu brofubi oyusu withheld and disclose. The report, from the beginning of the report, they said the Attorney General failed to disclose. Acheampong's statement in his interview, or said the Attorney General has withheld some documents. Now, as a journalist, I'm a Tehano. From what Acheampong just said in that interview, they're not all can say Attorney General FIA document be. Now, sa document ni nyina ka document a yedi ebua ni nipa no e court. Na sa document ni bi no sebio e was Attorney General no e de ma omoso na omoso hwem e bi say e document a eno so ebeboa omoso momo yi nsem no a ni nyina ka process no ho a e was eboa. Na sa nkrata no sa Attorney General pese o de be kire omo na so momo say nkrata we bi no eni sa nkrata ni mu a omubu ofu judge no every say na nka say judge no she Attorney General say sankrata no de omu pese omu hu. Where in this does it justify say Attorney General document no file no ayera? Where why should a journalist or anybody sit on radio and say Attorney General document or submitting or court the documents are missing? Because there's a difference between you withholding the document, you not disclosing the document, and the document be missing. It is some time, you see, there are some things we do. In Kofoe, they want to what Acheampong and the team no person we say. They want to malign the Attorney General good anymore to the point say bedroom baby no after Omaka say what trust Attorney General Mamu Jinindi, and they are misquoting, misplacing, misspelling, and they are deliberately defining facts wrongly. Uti Acheampong interview na or the man joy for na. There was nowhere in the interview Acheampong concretely say the documents are missing. Acheampong feels from his part on any councils and on any legal team feel say the Attorney General is withheld. He withheld some documents. He doesn't want to disclose them. There are so many reasons why maybe the Attorney General feels at this moment, I don't want to disclose. Maybe there is another person who is willing and ready to give more documents that will make his case, those particular documents, more solid. So, for all you know, even there might be somebody involved in the case who is pleading or bargaining to provide more to support that part of the document. The Attorney General has a strategy. You, the accused lawyer, you have your strategy. All that you have to do is to let the court know. Because I don't think, say, I am rapampi, say, document to be, the person is withheld now, or the person withholds the document. You cannot find a law to get the person to release the document. That does not mean the documents are missing. Say you Acheampong tomorrow, you decide to go to court, and some of the documents that you have filed, you decide to hold on to it. The Attorney General knows the processes he can use through the court to get you to release those documents. That does not mean those papers that you are holding back, or those documents you are holding back, those documents are missing. So why would anybody sit, or why would anyone go on TV and say or report that the Attorney General's documents or filing 86 pages or something? There's a difference between missing and you not disclosing, or you holding on to a document. You see, and that is what the media sometimes, I am a man because say we are not helping the system. Until the court comes out to tell us, say, these documents are missing, nobody in Ghana today can say a document in this trial is missing. The Attorney General might have his own strategy. He might decide to hold some documents. He might decide to delay something because maybe he's waiting for something. So if I don't add this document, I know that I can slow down the process and get what I need to make sure my case is clean cut. It could be a strategy of the Attorney General. So how can people just go out there and start screaming and making it look like, say, documents in a good table so and it will be far a crime so and it will Attorney General office and it will court war and also say document in free move because no, it's not. This is not cantata. This is not comedy. This is law. The Attorney General is not supposed to show his cards. If you think you are a good lawyer, Atachia, and you can get Attorney General to show his cards, use the law to force him to show his cards. The game is playing with you. And I'm very sure you, Atachia, there are some documents you are withholding. You don't want Attorney General to know because you know you want to use it later to make a case for your client. So if an Attorney General is telling you that use the law to get this document from me, has Attorney General gone wrong? What will make somebody say, Attorney General, the documents are missing? Why would anybody make that statement? Listen to Atachia again. And you see, sometimes these things, they are worrying.
Bryan, thank you so much for staying with us. From the account details filed to the court.
Whether we are entitled, that is what the law says. It's a constitutional requirement. Article 19, fair trial. The fair trial requirement is that you shouldn't withhold information which should aid the innocence of the accused person.
Right.
Because the Attorney General is not a persecutor. An Attorney General is supposed to hold the scales of justice even. And when the evidence should inure to the benefit of the accused persons, the Attorney General is bound by law to divulge it to the court. And in fact, it is unprofessional for an Attorney General to withhold exculpatory evidence from the court.
I am quite curious to know, do you have any idea what exact document is alleged to have gone missing in this case?
Oh, in the first instance, the Attorney General withheld, about 83 pages of a bank statement that the Attorney General has filed before the court. So you could see a deficit of evidence by what the Attorney General filed before the court. So we call for the difference. Now, where is the rest of the pages relating to the bank statement you filed? And the judge blocked it. The judge didn't want them to bring it. This is where we are. As a fact, these are all facts if you have journalists following this story. And that's why we've appealed the decision of the judge, that the judge should not block evidence that the accused persons require to prepare their defense, and even use those pieces of evidence to cross-examine the witnesses who are being called.
So, Atachia in his own words, or see, you should not withhold, or see, the first law, you should not withhold. So, if it is a law, or if there is a law that you cannot withhold documents, then it means there is a law that you can apply to make sure the person releases the document. Anameboa. So what is stopping Atachia? Journalistic, I say, can you tell me how many of the documents are missing? The journalist was saying missing, but Atachia was using the word what? The word disclose. The journalist was saying that, can you tell me how many of the pages are missing? But Atachia did not use the word missing. Atachia was using the word withhold, withheld, disclose. So at this point, Atachia, if he knows the law, he knows the buttons to press for the judge to force Attorney General to release those documents. So why is this whole thing so complicated? And we are making it look like, say, Attorney General assistant documents because we're losing case. Why are we allowing mediocrity to enter into our level of thinking? Because I just say, you lower your one to the point to say, to me, we don't want to think out of the box now. Sometimes when these things happen, we need to take our time and analyze. They are withheld. You see, when you hear withheld, when you hear withhold, when you hear disclose, when you hear a word like those things, they mean something. In law, they mean something. When you hear missing, it also means something. When something is missing, you don't know the whereabouts of the document. It is basically gone. When somebody is withholding,
You know where the thing is. You know it is in the possession of Asimesi. When somebody fails to disclose, it is in his possession, it doesn't want to show you. If it is missing, it is gone. You need to go search. But in this case, Acheampong knows where the documents are. That is why he's using the word withheld or withhold or disclose. So it means the Attorney General, as we speak, Acheampong knows he has the documents. Acheampong needs to find a way to get the documents. So why are you making this so complicated? Why are we making this thing so complicated, and we make everything so complicated in Ghana? And these are simple things. Now, so Busamia, the strategy of MPP ni Acheampong, I'm going to say, I want person to find a way, no more we need public sympathy. They want to lie to the public and force the public to believe them instead of the Attorney General. And they are getting some people to help them. I don't care. Now, me, I respect the laws of the land. Anytime we free America, try plane tickets. Me ready member me for business about Ghana, about the court, the highest court of the land. Ebebo mi muka say, Your Highness, I am here because I respect the laws of this country. Now, I want to trust the Attorney General, and I know every single Ghanaian, we all want to trust the Attorney General and also trust the process. So, Busamia, I would suggest that when court resumes, Attorney General should respectfully plead with the court to telecast Adu-Boahen's case live on TV. I would suggest to the Attorney General, respectfully, so that the misinformation, maligning, and deliberate disinformation in the system, no, we will all witness what is happening in court. So I will plead with the Attorney General because I believe and trust in the Attorney General's office. And Ayeni, everybody knows his track record. And he has sworn to make sure, say, he's going to be firm. Now, we all want to know what is happening in court. Now, I will plead with the Attorney General. When the court resumes, the Attorney General should respectfully write to the Chief Justice and ask the Chief Justice or the judge sitting on the case that, you know something, this is a case of national interest. In fact, I don't want Ghanaians to be contemplating. I don't want Ghanaians to be assuming. I don't want Ghanaians to be sitting and speculating. I want Ghanaians to be part of this conversation. I want Ghanaians to be part of this prosecution. I want Ghanaians to be part of this whole process. So, respectfully, I want the Attorney General to plead with the judge for this case to be heard on live television for you and I to see what is happening in that courtroom. You will see. And let me tell you, say Attorney General no Ekache court is up a say case way you to TV so de bia Acheampong and then call for the say no, I'm telling you today. They will reject that. And at that point, you will see who wants transparency and who doesn't want transparency. You get what I mean? It's as simple as that. I would suggest to the Attorney General, Yani Ghana for, we want to be part of this prosecution. It's a high-profile prosecution. We want to be part of it. From the beginning of this regime, the Attorney General, you have always briefed us every single time, every step you take. You have been on TV, and we appreciate it. This particular case, there are some people who basically want to distract. They want to malign your outfit. There are some people in the system, one person will go anywhere for political reasons. I will respectfully tell you or suggest to you that Attorney General, we want this case to be on live TV. We want you to put this case on live TV. We want to hear what you say in court. We want to also hear what Acheampong's case is in court. We want to know. Then we will decide for ourselves who is actually stalling this case. Because I have this great deep feeling that Acheampong them, they know Adu-Boahen will be jailed. What they are doing is they are playing with the hearts of Ghanaians. They obviously a Ghana for Jimmy. So what Acheampong is doing now, Acheampong was sacked by one of his clients recently. The only job Acheampong has is taking money from this boy. And when I say taking money, he's using this case to get paid. So Acheampong will do anything to get paid. I was here to say Acheampong no idea all your way no retirement benefits and all you know. Whatever he will do to keep this case going for long, for him to be paid, he will do it. And that is what he's doing. And that is the strategy that Acheampong has adopted. In the West Study Acheampong, he does not even want this case to move. Every day he's stalling the case. Now they are using some people to make it look like Attorney General does not want the case to go. We want the Attorney General to plead with the court that we want this case to be shown live on TV.
The day Attorney General will plead with a judge to show this case on TV, Acheampong will oppose that. We'll come back to this matter. Now, and the health minister make a statement to be a very important statement. And I'll say about 7,000 previously unpaid nurses have now been enrolled onto the payroll and are receiving their monthly salaries. Now, while efforts are ongoing to migrate the remaining nurses, health minister say, "Eye nurse for another dankweku for the Bawumia buying." Yeah, eye nurse for last minute nurse for about 13,000 da. Bawumia moka say oma form ejuma abro man for man to payroll so right after elections NDC winning power na nurse for no agitate omo demonstration no. Health Minister Mr. Kando say emu 7,000 sesia no ye doma to payroll so. Sesia no bosumi aketua no ye etu omo ka bosumi. Osi omo maka no aban edi wudwuma say ombema omo so nyina so e de akogu payroll so bosumi bia betu omo ka. Enti mess na eye Bawumia mujato hono. The NDC as a government, they are solving the mess. And mamika bi binche Ghana for. We are still in a ditch as a nation. The debt and the damage it will take us some time as a nation and NDC as a government to get the country out of it completely. And so say they are going to frustrate the government. They are going to pressurize the government to do things at their pace. Then you, that person, you don't understand what governance is. You know, in the last 8 months, namu baby Ghana ye situation war. Under Ekufuado, under Bawumia, under Japan, under Bryan Acheampong, you people saw your situation baby a war. And this is not a situation of one room. A nation that was run down by a group of criminals. So was you a journalist to say me? So I will say, why do you do? We are Ghana ni ebi a unko school club. Why do you do? Now we senior ya chechire mine. So we a parent to say me. Now we even how to manage a home with maybe 3 kids or 2 kids, yourself and your wife. Now we senior how to put it together. Now so obia beje a country ya messing it up to the core. I was so we see bia obe kasa. Dia John Mahama ni NDC cry yet till now no. They have done too well for anybody to sit on TV or on radio to criticize the government. They are John Mahama. And this yaban we aye. Baby omo time ye free ye bedru ye. Baby omo time dollar ni free ye. Baby omo time inflation free ye. Baby omo time deficit when it comes to infrastructure free ye. Baby omo time corruption. Baby omo time the baby omo time crony free ye. The way the country was messed up. Baby omo time petrol board free ye. Now we and we are basically in heaven. And it's how a journalist and that's how we are Ghana Nibi. Now we have opportunity to speak about governance. Now I will say, Uber to me run the country down or the government down because things are not done the way you want her. Mekacha will say, yeah, the Ghana ma will manage 2 seconds. You go mad. You cannot even manage your own home within 1 year to make things set up. Moi, I'm wanted to criticize John Mahama buying. Baby, I end this time Ghana free. Say ya wo ena ufia uja to ho 8 years. Ena uja ko say o kwotena kurobi so aba. Na obeduru na say ufia dane de se na ekufu adu muja ufie na. Obetumi the 8 months adani kurobi be do. But this man has never complained about anything. His appointees, his ministers, they have never stood on any platform to say Ghana for where the NDC and MPP and they have never complained. They have solved problems and they keep solving problems. It is how to say journalist and I say Nipebiti radio so can I buy way 8 months. Now because 1% you don't understand governance. Before you criticize this government and say 8 months about step back, take a step back, go back and go look at the digits, go look at the data, go look at where we were, and then compare to today and do the calculation and ask yourself what these people have done. They have done magic. What the governor of Bank of Ghana, what that guy has done, he has done magic. What the finance minister, at first he doesn't like me, but I don't care. What the finance minister has done, he has done magic. When you go to the cocoa sector, we are expecting about $4 billion by the end of the year. They have done magic.
This is a country that was run down into the ditch, deep down. It means when I hear people make those statements, I'm straight. I'm who to say either you don't understand governance or you are just trying to be diabolic, or you just need attention. That's how I see it. Because say unim bebi ana Ghana jina, unim the desperation na eda Ghana so, unim yesika semsen na asay, unim sibi ana nyoma enkoye. We were all witnesses to the damage these people did. And to person which me say, sa damage ne kufu adu ye no, 8 months we no damage ni nyina nyira. Sa the backlog of nurses over about 50,000 or omuja omugu fie 70,000 na omuja omugu fie no. Mo person which me say 8 months no, I was so nurse for nyina nya adwuma. Mo person which me say, sa nkwasiade kufu adu muja ye e ka omuja to ho no. Just 8 months, I was a calling in Mete say TUC for say they are going on strike. Why? I was a bino your debt levels. The question here is the NDC government bar bemuno a casen of their account. Nothing. But a car can you use 8 months to solve those account? And we are talking about in Peniformo Yankwara into Mumian Jai sa diabolic, basically childish kind of a argument, you know. Because those kind of arguments, you know, it will not change the course of the government. The government is delivering. The government is working. Me answer make criticize Obino. Me didn't can share what the person inherited. And whatever you inherited, if you have been able to correct or done even 50% of it, I don't have any room to criticize you. And I'm looking at this government. I'm looking back 8 months. Baby ana Ghana yawano. This government has done about 90% of the job. So I'll be very unwise and stupid to sit here and tell Ghana for say, hey, 8 months ago, I didn't tell John Mahama and solve a Ghana problem. These people took over 8 years to destroy Ghana. And I'm not cutting a slack for the government. Saying abaning ye bibi and kamaka say, okay, abaning ye she. But the government, as we speak today, for about 2 years, they doom some more Ghana. And hardly do you hear say obi kase me light doom. This government, no matter what, they are still keeping the fuel price down. So it is not where these people left it. The only way you can assess this government and say this government is doing poor is when you take the numbers the government before MPP Jan Ohono. If the numbers they left today, the NDC is not able to bring the numbers down, then you can tell me this government is performing poor in 8 months. Because the government will be to $17 cities, not dollar no, and then I'm 11. You can't tell me this government is not performing. So I buy way beto petrol 15. Now send the petrol nundu 15. Now I buy way to my limiting about 4 miles. You can't tell me the government is not delivering. So I buy way beto of Anko Quine. Now obedru no a quine contractor and to me international yejuma. Now the contractor so yejuma. You can't tell me the government is not delivering. So I buy way buy now you are over 20,000 to 15,000 young people sitting at home. Now and there your police assistants bear 15,000. Your fire service assistant bear 5,000. Now nkora we nyina yejuma o ka chem say I buy we yejuma now bodam because I buy no be ye 100,000 napko ejuma no nipa ba kumponi wonye ejuma ye. So I am looking at the past numbers comparing it to today's numbers and then I made him make a misstatements. Into what this guy is doing at the health ministry, he is basically working and it applies to the government as a whole. Jimmy, your propaganda. You don't understand basic governance. In his answer on TV, so I criticize John Mahama Abino. Ask yourself, John Mahama Abino beto ya worse in there. Tell me one thing. John Mahama Abino beto ya. John Mahama Abino aseno. Because hey, where can these MPP hanke tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. We all see what the government is doing. The IGP, the government itself, how today they are fighting Galamsey. It's not an easy fight, but at least you could see there's the willingness to do that. There is the willingness. Government no will so at least Emma Arishim to say Abambi the party officials, a sector minister, it will release this statement, a whole report. My president say, Jubilee House no, omonomoya galamsey no, and no crown here see over so chemi say, enda abayaba, the police, the government is on the ground trying to fight this menace. You want to tell me say the government is not doing well? Where Jimmy? So look back, me per one person or Ghana baka say me better TV so, and they kufu ando Bawumia 8 years no. Adebia John Mahama beto ye no sa ade with the John Mahama nya ade kura 8 months no kan kire na me debate. What are you going to talk about when it's got to do with the forex? And I say dollar, where are we are doing better. When it comes to employment, we are doing better today. See, let me show you. Come Mama trouble.
Na mwa jimi do mumubino. Today, how many people? 5,000 young men. They are now becoming what? Assistant fire officers. Enrechi, nipa almost 12,000. Omo yade, yade police assistant. Almost 17 to 20,000. There are more to be given opportunities. We are talking about a government today, the land minister, and the Watro Akomadian, Amabua. He is the acting environment minister, Ama Kofibua. Rights to Attorney General for immediate revocation of LI 2462. And the Abaine say, Sam Brana Kufuado, Ebietu ho, na Galamse, 4 more MPP mu edi your forest no. And the minister now or acting as environment minister no, or the Attorney General say, or per se, you stop it mining in our forests. Inti actually when Jimmy no Babetna TV so I catch me say aban we die what to aban no ho actually we a journalist or we a diplomat or we a statesman or actually we Jimmy actually we nim governance. This is what governance is. They are overturning every nonsense. So today a minister has written the Attorney General, nobody, you better stop it, nobody should enter any forest to go mine. What I want to work say, and I jamahama bano, omunya shedien and kabine. What should the government do? Into me, so I got some graded government where they have done about 80%. Eh? Ejuma jamahama ban we are 8 months no. NPP are buying to me a say Juma we be. I'm telling you, the way they have even paid attention to the fight against Galamsey. Sanka NPP are buying edit 10% of what John more attention mu pay to Galamsey to stop it. Anka ye ni hanne, I'm telling you. Enti me penipo ba kuma betna TV so aka say adia John Mahama Bawumia mo eja to ho a na say negative no John Mahama be west me pe adia ba akopɛ. Modwa adentina modwa me mamu common sense ye dwudwam. It is simple. Ain't the answer now Baba Betina TV so answer now Betina radio so I say aban way your money 8 months. No what tell me adia na ewowa na aban way say sadia way na enye abana be west. Tell me one thing. Oboso omu bi omano kan ai John Mahama aban ka say oba obetu kokoo mu na sibia watum no wada de kuafo John Mahama ba oti kokoo so John Mahama ba power no. So okay, so betu kokomu international price. Now much change statement. You can say baga. Many will say John Mahama wati kokoso. So a day na John Mahama betu ya in the west. Think John Mahama buy and betu koko price and then kote swa because John Mahama teso. But as we speak, what is John Mahama be out so and so and also John Mahama fin already 8 months. And it is John Mahama the 128 at Toswa. Then a chesa in the next year, John Mahama on for 2,000 and so. So you cannot sit there and make that argument. Say, I buy way share bo. John Mahama bo share a 4 years bo. If he's going to move cocoa bag to $10,000 a bagger, I have 4 years within 4 years, and he can decide to spread it within 4 years. He can also decide to do it within a year. Until you cannot tell me, say, the first window, yadama cocoa price, no, John Mahama, was a cocoa for bo, anyway, so, actually, Jimmy, actually, won't name the echo. That is why I'm telling you, say, there are so many people sitting on TV and radio making arguments and say, I buy way 8 months there, and then you don't even understand what you are doing. Now, one thing, what can I say? Because before you make this statement, you need to ask yourself, you're Pamo MPP because of something. And this by no Sadia Norma in the West ana. That is the only way you can judge this government. And me pade ba ko betumi dia judge NDC aban aka say they have done worse than MPP. Show me one thing. So Mummy Enja is a childish kind of journalism. I'm an expert in this. Nina politics. I am not mema Ghana for one say bibia a rosary. No. These people have inherited a very difficult country, a very bad economy. But these people are doing crazy stuff. They are changing things every single day. They are actually changing things. Abai is over-delivering. This government is over-delivering. Me who so be able to TV so criticize Aban way it may be an anaka say na bibi wo ha aban ba ko ne ya na enye John Mahama mo buy no o my no west me who so be an anaka and so I'm sorry and aban we nya hwe no dey na aban we ya na enye chin ba ko no ka dey ba ko kire me. So before you go on TV and start to talk about this government, let your listeners know And now you, as an expert, first of all, let the listeners understand. Say, me Bible church and you watch them. Time na Ekufu Adom wo no. Na dollar no ewo 2, and a John Mahama dey about 10. And it's no money dey 8 months. Time na John Mahama mu fra. It's na nipa ti because okay, you are making sense. Now you are making sense. But you don't have any standard. Because the standard that is there, no, John Mahama, at the end of the day, Southwest performance, John Mahama and Drew, John Mahama is still doing better. So if John Mahama is doing better, NDC is doing better, how can you sit and say 8 months NDC is not delivering? Now, I'm sure idea. Momenja NF Ghana for Sa uni bibia kan men kasa. Sa uni bibia kan don't speak. It is not forced for you to speak on politics. It is not forced for you to let people think, say, you have an opinion on everything. Me, there are so many things going on in Ghana. Ebo ha deliberately me twimi ho, me yimi ho frim, me nka ho asem. Obi tim ka say, oh Kevin, asem we bae, I didn't know one kebi because ejuma me ye minimum ejuma me ye no. If I can't have basis for my argument, I will not do it. I will not even speak. And in some way to me see Ghana, Obi say, Kevin, this is current issue. Everybody is discussing. I'm like, I'm not going to talk about it. I said to my team, because you know something, when it comes to speaking on issues, governance, you let it sit, you allow it to simmer, you listen, and then you start to analyze. No, you need to know, you need to have a reason for being part of the conversation. There should be a reason. Until somebody may prove your children say, Aban we buy no. Aban na etwa mu ne ye ade bia na ye papa cha aban we aye west. Free SHS and the manoka say when it comes to feeding of students in school, ade aban we ye NPP aban they destroyed free SHS and the Obetuma chem say and the free SHS no NPP dey na better cha no. You can tell me that. So how can you tell me say this government is not delivering? Aban we can say Omo Ube School, government tertiary institutions, biano, free tuition first year. Abanwe Shebo, Abanwe is in power. So far, Abanwe is delivering. So, how can you just sit on TV, on radio, or anywhere and tell me Abanwe 8 months? Abanwe has over-delivered in 8 months. If we sit to do critical analysis, comparative analysis of this government's performance and the government that it inherited, you can see the gap. There is a big gap between Abanwe and the MPP Abano. We need to understand. Say conversation ba asamedahwa. We need to take a step back. Enya bibia de di hunkomo. Enya bibia ne can be. Enya bibia na wo idea wo ho. Enya bibia na wo smart wo ho. Enya bibia na obetima ka say we de unko awadwene no. There are some things if you know you cannot analyze it analytically. You cannot basically make clear cut sense. Sit back. It does not say you are not intelligent. You avoiding a conversation does not mean say unimunyansa. You avoiding a particular conversation, you staying away from a particular conversation, you making sure you don't take part in some particular topic or a particular conversation does not make you stupid. It shows how intelligent and smart you are. Because what you do is now you sit back and analyze before you speak. Now, Shade, team, are you with me? I know Friday crank normally, and you're saying it here, but Bibinti.